I keep calling them goggles. I don't know if there's a difference between the goggles or exactly what, but it's, I believe, if I understand it right, the analog visual. And so now we got a bunch of stuff here. We're just going to set this to the side. Still not sharpened. And so on closer inspection, these appear to be some kind of fiber reinforced. Oh, and it's got metal inserts. That is pretty cool. Okay, just trying to get everything situated and the trash reined in. So let's now, normally I would, this is where I'd say we don't need no stinking instructions. And apparently we're not going to get any. So, apparently they make this in a, what would you call it, a quint? A quad, that would be 4. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it, call it. So see, this is where I would be soldering in. This would be the main connector, which has got a plug on it, which is odd. I believe I'm assuming I could either solder just run everything. I don't want to do that. And I really don't want to cut the connectors off of these. So but I guess we do need to end up doing that because they're really, see, that's using a different type of plug, and there's no plug. These go straight to the motor here. And so these are going to have to be soldered onto this. Now, you may not hear these beeps once I run this through the DaVinci Resolve AI sound. So No connection. Okay, so this is kind of a circuit board like I originally thought. Plus, okay, so what do we have here? So it seems like this outer edge is isolated, but potentially maybe it allows you to add on. You've got, really looks like a non-standard spacing for a circuit board. But maybe you can add on certain items potentially. Let's see. Okay, so all these holes are grounded to one another. So all these individual little small holes gives you a grounding point. I don't know for what. So I believe I'm going to need to check and see about these plates. I would assume this could potentially be the top plate, maybe. And this would be the bottom plate. And the orientation, it appears that this could be turned at any way in any orientation. Or not. Well, I guess you can, because these holes do not even remotely match up to one another. So that's obviously for the motors. Well, no then. So these would appear to be for the top. And they're offset. So this has got to be the top plate. So this is where your controller and everything would set or bolt down. So let me verify that, because there's no instructions with this kit other than what you see here. And that's not what I call instructions. It's just telling you how to put the landing gear on, and that's it. So I know you got to have a way for the battery, and so I think the hook and loop would go through here for your battery to go up inside here, or your hook and loop would cross here for your battery to go in this way. I'm not sure how your battery goes in. but I would assume, well, I guess technically your battery could come in this way with these solder points, but I would assume this would be the belly. So let me do something. I'll be right back. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.